Hey guys, welcome to another video. My name is David Pinto. They also call me Tips to Dave. And in today's video, we are going to be looking at my affiliate marketing results for the month of September. Guys, this is going to be a full overview. We are on a journey of how to get to $1,000 per month with affiliate marketing. So I'm documenting everything in this video and just doing a monthly update. So if you want these monthly updates, I highly suggest to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you get notified for future videos. But more than anything else, I'm here to share my journey and give you guys the tips and the skill sets along which I am doing the same thing. So if you want to follow along, all the resources are in the description. Everything is on this video. I'm going to hop on my screen and share with you some more. Okay, guys, here I am. And I just wanted to start off and actually first and foremost share with you a little bit more of the whole entire strategy. This video, first and foremost, if you're coming to this channel for the first time, I want to welcome you. My name is David Pinto, as I said before, and I have been doing affiliate marketing for some time. But more than anything else, this year I decided to simplify everything, and I do have a full-time job. Don't forget that I do have a full-time job. This is a side hustle, and if you're learning, you're figuring out how do you use affiliate marketing while you have your full-time job to be able to still generate commission, still generate sales, and allow the business to work for itself. That's the key element for me, because I know that a lot of people may or may not want to leave their current position or their current job or what they're doing at the moment, and how you can actually use a very simple strategy that I'm following. And if you want to follow along, everything is in the description. In fact, I have two playlists. One of them is specifically for step 1, and the second one is for step 2. So you can find both of those playlists there. And the whole thing is to get to $1,000 per month, first and foremost. Once we get to $1,000 per month, then I will stop making these videos for the series, but I will still do the monthly updates. So make sure that you do subscribe also to the channel and hit that bell notification, because it's really important that you do that in case you want to follow along. So let's go ahead and share this with you. First and foremost, this strategy is for people who are not, don't have a lot of time. So if you have a limited amount of time and you want to still do this on the side, that's the whole mindset that I had. The reason for doing this is that it's because it's my situation itself. I don't have a lot of free time. I want to make sure that I'm living my life to the fullest. I have other things that are important to me, and I want to spend my time on that. Therefore, the strategy that I'm using with affiliate marketing is with the least amount of time that I need to spend online. So this is a key element I wanted to say. And that being said, I use paid traffic in order for me to then scale up. And I'm going to show you how you can use this paid traffic without going out of pocket. So there is some cost to it. Don't get me wrong, there is some cost to it, but it's not gonna go out of pocket and in the whole. So let's go ahead and share with you the strategy. The strategy itself is 2 steps. I've kept it that simple. The first step, I call it as the cash flow generating step. The reason for that is it starts to generate a cash flow commissions for you, which you can then use in step 2 to be able to advertise. The thing with affiliate marketing, guys, in all my years that I've been doing it, there are 2 things that are most important. One is advertising, so knowing how to do advertising. And then the second thing is copywriting. Copywriting is there for your landing page, for your bridge page, for your offer. If you have your own offer, or if you're using another offer, you can use the copywriting in your email series. And it's just a good skill to have. So these are 2 skill sets that you learn with affiliate marketing, in my opinion. It's the most important thing. Even for your YouTube videos, any kind of free marketing that you're doing, you still need copywriting, right? You can leverage tools like ChatGPT and other things like that to help you with it, but it is something that you need to be aware of. You need to find your voice in your marketing. That is important. So that's how I'm doing it. And personally, I like to document my journey. That's just the frank transparency that I want to have in my business. The last thing that I wanted to say is that the way I'm doing it is very strategic. I do not want to have an extreme amount of success and just say, wow, look, this is what's happening, but rather document step by step what can be done realistically. Realistically is the key element here. So as I said, there are 2 steps. The first step is a cash flow generating step, which means I'm not collecting an email address. I'm not building my email list through the first step. I'm just focusing on getting commissions. And the second step is generating leads to my list. So now the second step is building my asset and everything else. Usually people just talk about the second step and they don't talk about the first step, because the first step is used only for traffic or only for advertising, and that's it. I added this element there just because I want to make sure that I have the cash flow and I don't go out of pocket. That's personally my opinion with this entire strategy. So that is, I hope this is clear. If you want the entire details to this strategy, there's a playlist in the description, how to get to $1,000 per month. You can check that out and you can feel free to watch it where it goes through the whole thing step by step. So on Mondays, I talk about this. On Wednesdays, I do go over the entire tools that I use to be able to do this, which is completely free. And on Fridays, like today, I speak about specifically my journey. Now, what I wanted to say with you, what I wanted to say to you more than anything else before I get into the results is that the cost for me to maintain this strategy is literally $30 per month at the moment. I do not spend more than $30 per month. The most that I will spend eventually will be at least $130 per month. That will be the most that I'm going to be spending to maintain the strategy. So if that's your price range, you can get started with $30 per month and that's it. That is what I wanted to give you. Okay. So that's the strategy. Let's go ahead and actually share with you my entire results. So what I do is I promote offers on Warrior Plus, but I'm building my email list. So everything basically in step 2 goes to this page right here. People enter their email address, they get added to my email list, and they follow this whole entire process where I send them to training on my bridge page, basically, which I will update at the end of this year because I have the results to prove it. And then the offer that I own, it's not my offer, but I own it, I bought it, and this is something that I also consider as very authentic and transparent, is that I only promote offers that I do own. And then obviously if they do decide to get that offer, I make a sale. So what are the results doing with this strategy? So step 1, first and foremost, is me sending traffic to the offer, the primary offer, and I get a sale. Then what I do is I use those funds which I make for get a sale with, right? So the funds that I make in Warrior Plus, which is a network that I'm using, I then buy more traffic and send it to my landing page. So that's the whole strategy in a nutshell. Let's go ahead and look at my sales results for the month of September. So I want to show you guys the entire journey. The first time that I started this strategy was in March this year. So let's go to March and until October. It doesn't really matter because sorry, I don't need October. Let's put September. View. So this will generate it to show you actually the whole entire journey. So I started off in March. And as you can see, I made just $100 that first month. Then the next month after that, I made $219. The third month after that, I made $310. So it was upward trend. Then almost 400 to 379. Then in the month of July, it went to 300. In the month of August, it went lower to 289. And then this month is 431. So this is the highest month that I have earned so far. I've not yet hit that $1,000. Remember that. I've not yet hit that $1,000, but this is realistically what is possible with the strategy, right? So you're growing as the months go by. Yes, you will have lower months. Yes, you will have higher months, but it's always important that you're growing your income along the way. So how much did I make in the last month? 431. Let's go to transactions because I want to show you guys kind of the split. So I'm going to give you the split in terms of step 1 and step 2. So how much did step 1 generate me only in Warrior Plus this last month of September? So let's go ahead and actually look at that, and we will go and you can see it's 431 so that you can see. And I'm going to put MLGS, which is my Lead Gen Secrets, the traffic source that I'm using, and that itself generated $13.29 in commissions for me in the last month of September, $300 in sales. And this is a consistent thing that's happening for step 1. So step 1 is consistently getting me around $200 to $300 per month every single month consistently now since March. Step 2, however, and let's do this as we go. So we have System, which is my other tracking, which is $94 that I've got from System, which basically is step 2 right here. So that's $94 from my funnel itself. So my funnel is first and foremost converting. 10 sales this month, $94. Great. And let me go ahead and actually share with you also my email address, which is, my emails. So as you can see, this is the sales process, landing page, bridge page, offer. So that is generating me $94. And then emails, sending it to my offers has generated me now, as you can see right here, another $96.62. So that's the whole split. What is the insight that this is giving me? First and foremost, you need to have a consistent amount of traffic, the advertising that's going in, for you to know whether your funnel is converting, whether the process is actually working. This is proof that it is working. Not only is it proof that my funnel is converting, but it is also proof that my emails are also converting. This is another thing to pay attention to. I did make another sale through Messenger, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, one sale through Messenger. So this is the other place. But this was a link that somebody asked me and I shared with them, and then I tracked it that way so that everything is clear. But other than that, as you can see, my emails are definitely converting. I've made $179 sales, but $96 in commissions. And as I said, system also is converting. Now, the interesting thing that I want to share with you here in this system sales, I wanted to show you this right here, which shows you recurring payments. So now you can see right here that I have, this is the third payment that somebody has purchased basically traffic through one of my links, and I'm getting commissions there. And a lot of the products are traffic products that people are buying. So I can see that definitely people want the traffic sources that I have in my funnel, which is good that I do have affiliate links for it, because now it's generating me income in my funnel itself. But so that's something that you should pay attention to. But I'm also going to go to my dashboard. And what I want to show you right here is I'm going to scroll down and I want to show you the affiliate recurring payments. So this is very important for you guys to understand. I start off with 0, obviously, subscribers. Now it's up to 7 people that are there, which means that I would average another $266 every single year, or $14.18 right now, 80 cents every single month. And this, as I send more advertising, as I send more people through the funnel, as more people subscribe to the exact same methods, these payments start to get more and more. So I get more people to subscribe on recurring, and this will be a residual income for me. So this is work that I'm putting in once, but I'm getting over and over again. And if I go to the transactions, as you can see, it shows you that it's a third payment. It's not the first payment, second payment. So somebody has this for 3 months already, another 3 months already, 2 months over here. If you see right here, this is the second payment, the second month as well. So there are people who are here for multiple months that I'm getting commissions on these offers. So that's in a nutshell, as you can see, the proof of how this $431 is being split. Additionally, what I want to share with you, which is very important, as I show you here in this whole process, as I make the sales from step 1, I then advertise and buy traffic. Now, I told you at the beginning of this video, you don't need to spend money from your pocket. So as I said, I'm spending $30 per month on this traffic source right here, which is My Legion Secrets. If you want to know more about it, by the way, guys, the link is in the description. But if you want to know more about it, I have a whole playlist, which I will link up also in the description in case you want to check that out. The whole point over here is for me to generate a sale. That is it. So My Legion Secrets generates me the sale, and then I use those funds to buy traffic. Now, as I will show you that I have, let me just show you very quickly. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 high quality solo ad traffic vendors that I use personally, and I use them quite often. And then I have another place where it's just basically a marketplace that you can purchase solo ads there as well. And then Google paid per ads if you want a source that I have as well, which is quite cost effective, all of these sources. Now, the only way that you can get access to this is you can check my other videos out, but it's the best is to get onto my email list. So there's going to be a link to this page right here in the description. You can feel free to check that page out and then decide if you want to join or not. But as I said, by far, these traffic sources are converting for me, as you guys can see from the sales. But more than anything else, I want to show you exactly how I'm able to buy traffic without spending money on from my own pocket. Okay, so what I do in step 1, as you can see, every time I get MLGS sale, I get income in my Warrior Plus account, right? So that income, since it comes in my Warrior Plus account, it goes to my Warrior Plus wallet. Now, in my Warrior Plus wallet, and this is clear example because it's the beginning of the month, I just purchased actually another 700 clicks to my landing page. So this is step 2 in the making, right? So as you can see right here, I have 19 purchases, and if I click on the purchases itself, you can see that every single month, so in the last month of September, for example, I have purchased 1, 2, 3, 4, no, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 3 times, right, in the last month of September, but I have 500, 501. So that means 1,100 clicks that I've sent to my traffic, to my landing page itself just in September. These funds, which is over $1,000.68. I don't remember exactly. Let me just go to summary again and see. But if I go my wallet and let's just go to summary. Yeah, $1,898, as you can see, I've been purchasing. That is purely for traffic. because I have funds in my wallet, you can see that there's current balance. So every time there's funds in my wallet, I basically go out, and you can see from the recent activity, and I purchase my clicks through Warrior Plus itself. So that way I keep the ball rolling and I keep money going through. So every time I earn a commission, I put it back into my business until I hit that $1,000. And then I will then start to withdraw funds and keep moving. The reason behind this is that it has the continuous effect, and I'm always growing my list because this is working first and foremost. And I'm getting multiple sales as I go along every single month. And then I reach a point where it is just recurring income for me with this strategy. It becomes strategic. I know that every 1,000 clicks I get, I'll be getting X amount of money. So that's the whole point of having it this way. And I haven't spent the money from my pocket. The other good thing is that I've crossed already earnings of $2,500 this year. I was zero at the beginning of this year, so you guys can see how it is growing for me very organically, very realistically. If this is something that you want to take action with, again, the playlist resources are all in the description. I just wanted to show you how Warrior Plus can help, everything else. So that is one thing. So that's $431. I'm going to do this. Okay, $431. And additionally, in step one, through mileage and secrets, I actually did a payout of $55, as you can see right here. So that means 431 plus 55 is for the month of September. I basically made $486.11 in my total affiliate commissions for the month of September. Guys, these are realistic results. It's not breaking bank yet. I'm still halfway there to get $2,000 per month, but we are on the right track. All I need to do is follow the same strategy, which takes me not more than 30 minutes every day. So if you're interested, hit that subscribe button. The resources are in the description. That's all I wanted to share on this video. Stay tuned on Monday for another mileage and secrets and update video for you guys and more. Have a great day. Keep paving the way for dreams to come true, and take action where you see that you can. Affiliate marketing is something that you can do on the side, guys. So I hope you do take action. Have a great day. I'm going to see you on the next video.